In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Canva email, which will enable you to write an email using an AI and then be able to send it to different platforms or different emails once you connect them to your Canva account. So to start, let's say I'm on my Canva account. I can go ahead and check on email over here and click on it. Now you have the option to go ahead and type in your email directly. From here, you can write your email directly and send the test email, or you can use a template. You can see different templates of emails that you can send with different designs depending on what you have. And if you don't have any, you can go ahead and come to this search here and describe the type of email that you're interested in. Okay, write an email to my boss, Prof. Khalida, congratulating her on her birthday today. So I'm going to use the AI to generate the email. You can see it has generated the email that I want. I can just click it and it is going to happen down here. So I can sincerely write my name. Okay, so I have the option to test the email. So to send a test email, which can be sent to my email. I'm just going to add the subject. Okay, test email will be sent to your email if you want to send it. Alternatively, you have the option to go ahead and click on share, and now you can connect the email with any of these emails. You can download it, you can share it or copy it as a HTML, or you can send the test email, or you can link it up to your Gmail or Outlook, or you can make it available for public view, or you can move it somewhere. We'll check out and see where are other places that you can send it. So let's say we try to send it via my Gmail, which you have to connect, which will require some permissions. Let's say I'm going to connect it with this my account. As you can see right now, I have connected it to one of my accounts, so I can just say export to Gmail. And as you can see, the email had been exported to my Gmail account. So I can go ahead and type the recipient's email, and then I can send in with the subject. I can just go ahead and click on send, and I'll send that particular email very easily. So all you need is you can continue on your Gmail or any of the Outlook email that you have. Okay, alternatively also you can share and copy the link, or you can download it as a HTML file to share with your friends, or you can invite people directly and give them access to this particular design of the email that you have generated. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.